paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's create a beautiful wall hanging today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Well, you can use it for any of your decoration. For this, we will require an origami paper. Now, let's fold it into 2 triangles. Once we are done with that, we will take the longest side of the triangle, which is this one, and make 2 curves. Yes, it is going to look something like this. Just so that you can see it properly, I am going to create it with a sketch pen. Now, why don't we make 2 such lines? Let's repeat it on the other side as well. Now, it's time for us to cut it. Let's start cutting it together. Now, let's cut it on the other lines as well. Make sure that you do not join both the lines, or else your paper is going to get cut completely. Now, let's repeat the same steps on the other paper. Let's cut it nicely, and now we have a beautiful design. Now, on the second line, let's put a dot of glue and fold it inwards. This looks so beautiful, isn't it? Yes, just like a flower. Now, why don't we do the same thing for the next paper as well? 4 dots and then fold it inwards. We need to make it for the line which is in the middle. Let's fold it properly. This looks beautiful. Now, let's stick both the flowers together. Something like this. And now, what do we have? More such flowers. Yes, you can make more such flowers with your other craft paper and then tie a thread on top of it. Once you tie a thread properly, you can hang it wherever you like. This looks beautiful, isn't it? Why don't you tie a nice thread for all your hangings? Lovely! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.